what, where, when, why, who. The 5 W's, and don't forget it's just the H for how.
What, where, when, why, who.
Hello! Where are you? What are you doing? How do you feel today? And why? Lots of questions, eh? I can tell you some answers. Where am I? I am here in my study room. What am I doing? I am eating a mango. How do I feel today? I feel great. Why? Because I love mangoes. My favorite fruit is the mango. What is your favorite fruit? Today, we are going to look at question words. Question words go first in the question. For example, what do I have here? I have a mango. Who is she? She is the Queen of Hearts. The question words for today are what, where, when, who, why, and how. To remember them, we call them the 5 W's and the H. What for things, where for places, when for time, who for people, why for a reason, and how for manner or condition. The first question word is what. We use what when we want to find out information about a thing, an action, or an object. For example, what is that? It's a Jack in the Box. What is Kevin doing? He is listening to music and dancing. What can Olivia do? Olivia can do a cartwheel. What can you do? Now let's talk about the second W, where. We use where when we want information about a place or a position. For example, where is he? He is underwater. Where are your keys? Your keys are in your hand, you silly goose. Or, hey, where is my pencil? My pencil is in my hand. The third W is when. We use when we want to find out information about the time of an event, an occasion, or a moment. For example, when is the party? It's at 7 o'clock. Or, when is the bus coming? The bus is coming in 15 minutes. Relax! The fourth W is who. We use who when we want information about someone, one person or more. For example, who is your friend? Your friend is Pat. Hello, Pat. Or, who is your favorite superhero? My favorite superhero is Super Kevin. The fifth W is why. We use why to ask about a reason. For example, why are you scared? You're scared because Olivia scared you. Or because a tiger is chasing you. Now that we have the 5 W's, let's look at the H. How. We use how to ask about manner or condition, like feelings. For example, how do you feel today? Angry? Sad? Excited? Sleepy? In love? How? How did you feel today? We can also ask about quantity. How many oranges are there in the basket? Or how many clouds are up in the sky? Or how much is it? How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
How do you make a paper airplane? I think Kevin is ready now to show us some examples. Watch our next videos with Kevin's fun sketches about the 5 W's and the H.
Look, it's Kevin. He's in the kitchen.
What's the problem?
He's hungry.
What's he doing?
I think he has an idea. He's gonna make cookies.
Where are the ingredients?
He already has eggs. Ah, there's the flour.
What's that?
Sugar.
What more do you need?
You need melted butter. Let me think. Baking powder and salt. Vanilla extract. And
Chocolate. I love chocolate.
hey, Kevin, don't eat all the chocolate chips.
How do you make chocolate chip cookies?
He needs to mix all the ingredients together.
Why is he putting on an apron?
Just in case he gets messy.
Where is he going to mix everything?
In a big bowl.
What goes first?
The sugar and the egg.
How is he going to crack the egg?
On the table.
When is he adding the vanilla?
Right now. And that's the melted butter. Ooh, here comes the flour. Mix it well, Kevin. We don't want any lumps.
What's that?
Baking powder and salt,
Why?
so that the cookies can rise. Here are the chocolate chips.
How many?
All of them.
What do you call that?
Cookie dough.
How many cookies is he going to make?
Let's count.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6.
6. 6 cookies.
6 cookies.
How much time in the oven?
12 minutes.
Now what?
We have to wait.
Where is he going?
To get a book.
Why?
Because we have to wait for the cookies.
Ready! How do they look?
I think they look delicious. Be careful, Kevin. They're hot.
Blow, blow. How does it taste?
You need some milk, Kevin. He has a white mustache.
Who are the cookies for? Me? Thank you, Kevin.
Bye-bye, Kevin.
Bye-bye, Kevin. English with us! Yes!
Where is Pat? Are you in the living room? Pat? Where are you? Have you seen Pat? I have to ask Pat a question. What's that noise? Well, Pat's not in the living room. Why can't I find Pat? Pat, are you in the kitchen? Pat? Where are you? Have you seen Pat? I need to ask Pat a question. Pat? What's that noise? Pat's not in the kitchen. What is Pat doing? Pat, are you in the bathroom? Pat, where are you? Have you seen Pat? I need to ask Pat a question. What's that noise? Oh well, Pat's not in the bathroom. When will I find Pat? Pat, are you in the bedroom? Where are you? Have you seen Pat? I need to ask Pat a question. What's that noise? Oh, Pat's not in the bedroom either. Who knows where Pat is? Maybe Olivia knows. Where is Pat?
I don't know. Sorry. Kevin!
Who was that? Pat's not in the living room. Pat's not in the kitchen. Pat's not in the bedroom. Pat's not in the bathroom. What's that? It's a house. What's inside? How do I open it? A note. Read me.
Where am I? Why am I hiding? I'm very close. How can you find me? Look near and far, then count to 3. Say the magic word, and you will find me.
1, 2, 3, abracadabra! Woo!
You found me, Kevin.
Pat, I want to ask you a question. but I forgot the question.
What do you want to do then?
I don't know.
Where can we go?
I don't know.
How about some ice cream?
Great.
Let's go then.
When should we go?
Now,
How?
snap your fingers. Ready?
Yes.
Kevin, Pat, where are you?
Olivia, snap your fingers.
Why are you so happy?
Because I have an ice cream.
Who likes ice cream?
I really do.
How do you know?
Because it makes me happy. What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's, and don't forget it's just the H for how.
What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's. What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's. And don't forget how. How could you forget how?
What's that?
It's an ice cream.
Where did you buy it?
From a shop
When did you get it?
2 minutes ago.
Why are you so happy?
Because I have an ice cream.
Who likes ice cream?
I really do.
How do you know?
Because it makes me happy.
What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's. What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's. And don't forget how. How could you forget how?
What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's, and don't forget it's just the H for how.
What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's. What, where, when, why, who? The 5 W's.